Okwetebeka ntuzo kwijuka ekiro ky'abajuruzi kuriyo nikugenda omu maisho ahari Uganda Martyrs Catholic Shrine kandi enkuyanja y'abaikiriza baramagire okurwa byanga bitari bimwe na bimwe yaherize kuhikaho. Barikuguza ebyokurya hamwe n'ebindi bintu bitari bimwe na bimwe n'abakasente bariyo nibakakora. Buri biro bishatu by'okwa mukaaga abiikiriza omu Kristo bazana mugongo okwijuka abajuruzi ba Uganda abaayisirwe habw'eddiini. Hakubura eshaaha okwijuka abajuruzi nka Tayari West TV twaganiraho n'aharikwebembera akakiiko akakurire okutebekanisa emikoro egi aha rubaju rw'abakristu Father Godfrey Mbowa kandi ogu yagira ngu buri kimwe kyateriire.
And we believe in unity and diversity. So, the songs that have been selected covers the major languages that are spoken in the country.
Agira ngu biina beshongoza barikurenga omuri bitaano kandi abatendekero.
We also on the final stages. And this choir is comprised of more than 500. And these people have been selected from the 30 parishes that we have in the diocese. So, which means each parish is being represented here. So tomorrow we expect by 9 the procession for the priests to start from the basilica. And by 9:30 we shall start the procession for the bishops. And by 10 we shall start mass.
Yashaba abantu okwetantara kuja n'ebikwato ebirabateeka omu buzibu na nabyo bikwerinda.
There are some objects that you may carry and they not be around here. So don't carry objects which will be denied of to access them inside. So what like?
Yashoborere kibarabiremu okutebeekanisa omukoro gw'omwaka ogu.
You have to get up for the security. You have to get up for the public addresses and the rest. So you have it is as if you have had two projects. So it is quite big. So it was quite challenging, but we thank God that
Mbowa yatugambira habikwatiine n'omugenyi mukuru.
There's a team which has been here and was telling us that tomorrow we are going to be the vice president. Previously, they had told us that the president will be here. But the team which has been here recently has told us it is the vice president coming. So, I can't say, because things might change. But at the moment, by the words of Mr. Chief Person, that I can confidently say it is the vice president coming.
Abajuruzi ba Uganda bakija kwitwa hagati y'omwaka gwa 1985 okusya 1987 aha biragiro bya Kabaka Mwanga wa kabiri. Amakuru Adolf Ayoreka aha bwa Tayari West omuri Kampala.